This instructional video is designed to instruct teachers on how to insert CK12 resources into their Schoology courses. CK12 provides free videos, articles, and entire online books that can be used for material to create Schoology courses. To start, the teachers will have to install the CK12 app into their Schoology account. To do this, find the App Center icon on the top of the Schoology window. The icon will appear as a 4-squared box next to the magnifying glass. Click on the icon and select App Center. The App Center is a resource area that allows teachers to access course material without leaving the Schoology program. Teachers can insert material from such places as the Khan Academy, YouTube, and Dropbox without ever leaving the Schoology program. To insert the CK12 program, scroll down and find the CK12 app. Click on the CK12 app link. Click on Install LTI app. Click I agree. Now the program will ask you to select which courses you would like to copy the CK12 app to. It is suggested that you copy the app to all of your courses. However, do not select course admins only. Click on Install. When it has been installed successfully, you will see a message that says your changes to CK12 app have been saved. Now that you have installed the CK12 app, you can access material from the CK12 app by clicking on the Add Materials drop-down menu and to the right selecting the CK12 app. Once you are in the CK12 app, you can explore the different resources that are available. Different resources will have different methods for integrating the material into Schoology. Start by searching or selecting the subject area that you would like to work on. CK12 has resources for math, science, and English, as well as some material in other subjects. For this video, I will select the subject of algebra. Now you will see material such as study guides in PDF form, Plix Play and Learn interactive activities, and entire flexbooks. Let's begin by exploring the study guides. Study guides are PDF documents that can be downloaded and then inserted into the Schoology course as a file. First, select the concept that you would like to evaluate. Click on the PDF. Then review the PDF to see if this study guide is what you would like to insert into your Schoology course. To do that, select this 3 dots up in the top right corner and download this PDF onto your computer. It is also advisable for any material in CK12 that you add it to your library so you will not have to search for it at a later date. Click on Download and download the file to your computer. Once you have downloaded the file to your computer, you can then return to your course, click on Add Materials, and then click on Add File Link External Tool. Select File. Click on Attach Files. Select the study guide that you downloaded. Click on Open. Then click on Add. Now, the PDF, the study guide that you selected, is in your course. The student would then click on the PDF link, and the document, the study guide, will open as an embedded document into your Schoology program. The advantage of having an embedded document is that the students do not have to leave your Schoology course to view the material. Within this PDF reader, the student also has a choice of downloading the file onto their computer or printing it. Now let's explore other material that we can insert into our Schoology program from CK12. Again, click on Add Materials, click on CK12 App, again select the subject. This time, let's look at the Plix Play and Learn Interactives. Plix Play and Learn Interactives offers learners an interactive and immersive experience in exploring concepts. Once again, select the Play and Learn Interactive that you would like to look at. Once the interactive loads, evaluate the interactive to determine if this is what you would like to insert in your Schoology program. Then, up in the top corner of your window, you will see a Create Assignment link. Click on Create Assignment. This will immediately insert that interactive into your Schoology program. Once it is in there, the students would click on the link to the interactive, and once again, within the Schoology program, this embedded interactive will become available to the student. And the student will be able to interact with the interactive, again, not leaving the Schoology program. Now let's take a look at inserting Flexbook material. Again, we go to Add Materials, open up our CK12 app, select the subject. This time we will click on the Flexbook tab. In the Flexbook tab you will see several books, online books, free online books, that have been created and saved on the CK12 program. Select the Flexbook that you would like to explore. This is the CK12 Flexbook, which is an entire online book, free, available to you to insert into your Schoology program. You can, at this point, insert the entire book into your Schoology program by clicking on the Share Me icon here. However, it is suggested that you explore the book and determine which sections of the book you would like to insert as opposed to the entire book. For instance, we could go into this particular section, Property of Real Numbers, and select a specific topic such as Properties of Rational Numbers. Again, review the material to make sure this is what you would like to put in here into your Schoology program. Then select Share Me. When you select Share Me, the CK12 program will provide you with a link that you can insert into your Schoology program. Highlight the link, copy the link, then return to your Schoology program. Again, go to Add Materials. Again, go to Add File Link External Tool. This time, we will select Link. Click on Link. It opens up the Add Link window. We would then paste the link into the link URL field. We would then give it a title, and then click on Add. So now this section, the Flexbook section that we chose on rational numbers, is provided as a link to the students. Again, the student would click on the link. Again, embedded within the Schoology program, the section that you selected would appear, and all the materials would be available to the student from that section, including videos and practice problems. In this video, we have seen that we can insert material from CK12 such as study guides, Plix Learning Interactives, and Flexbook material. CK12 is a great source of material for building a Schoology course. If you have any further questions, please contact your instructional technology specialist. Thank you.